Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to a nighttime clean with me. I will say that I am not the best at keeping up with cleaning routines, but this year in 2020, I really want to focus on nailing down really good routines so it makes life a whole lot easier. And the first routine I really wanted to start out with was a night routine because I really feel as if it's crucial to staying ahead of your cleaning to-do list, and there is nothing better than walking down the next morning to a clean home.
Drinking, that's just wasting time. I'd rather be spending it on working out. Some say I'm too uptight, but I disagree. I wake up and live my dream. Someday soon I'm gonna make it. Yeah, all hard work's gonna be worth it.
Once I finished cleaning off the countertops, I then wanted to add any of the remaining dishes into the dishwasher so I could start that load and let it run while we sleep. I was hoping that everything was going to fit into the dishwasher before I ran it, but unfortunately there were a few dishes that just didn't make it, so I'm going to go in and hand wash those before cleaning off the stove and then the microwave.
All that I want is to get next to you, not asking for much, but it feels like the two of us are golden, our goals, you see. We'll do you good, so take a chance on me. It's magical when you are close, so get closer, babe. We'll do you good, cause I'm golden, You're not really looking for a friend, so at the top for me. Never thought the loving would be easy, but it's all for free. Won't cost a thing, so it's yours. Worth the
Cleaning up the playroom is one of those things where I almost feel like, what is the point on cleaning it? Because I know literally within a couple of hours it's going to go back to the same exact way it was before. But I know that if I do not clean this up, it's going to be a complete mess. We're not going to be able to even walk into this room because, as you can see, it is a fairly small room. So doing just a quick tidy up every night is something that I think is really going to help me out. I would love to know what your nighttime routine looks like, if you even have a nighttime routine, and if you guys have any different tips or tricks, please make sure to share them down below. I truly do appreciate you guys stopping by and checking out today's video. Please make sure to give it a thumbs up if you found it to be motivating, and also make sure to subscribe if you haven't done so already, and I will catch you guys back here on Wednesday with another video. Bye.
I love you when